Alright, welcome all of my Drawing 1 students who are not here or not in class on the day that we were discussing rule of thirds. So today that's what I'm going to do for you in this video, as well as introduce you to what your assignment will be. So what we have here, as you can see, a cabin. Now a great thing about rule of thirds is to create emphasis or to draw your eye to your subject matter of your picture without putting it in the dead center of your picture, which tends to make your drawing or your painting or your photograph rather static, a little stagnant. Okay, so here you can see where the cabin is up towards the top part of your photograph, or actually on this it's a drawing. So how do we tell that it's a rule of thirds? Well, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to divide the picture into thirds. You know what? Let me go ahead and use a ruler like a good teacher should. Slide that over. There we go. That's a lot better. So it's divided in 3 ways this way, and then we're going to divide the picture 3 ways going horizontally. And as I'm doing this, you're going to notice that the cabin is going to fit in one of the main cross-section parts of this grid. And that, my friends, is the idea of rule of thirds. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to want you to do on your sheet of paper, you are going to divide that sheet of paper vertically into 3 sections. They should be equal, like so. Then I want you to divide your paper up vertically into 3 sections. So really what you're going to do is just draw 2 horizontal lines, like so. Now, once you have that, you're going to draw an image where you're going to put your main center, your subject matter, your focal point, where you want the viewer's eye to go to into one of these sections. So what I'm going to be doing is drawing, let's say a landscape. Remember, a landscape is a drawing of the outside. I'm going to draw, let's see, a tree. We're going to add a cottage to it, maybe a pathway leading to the cottage, but my focal point is going to be that tree. So I want my tree in here. So I'm going to go ahead and start that drawing. And because of time, I'm not going to have you sit through me drawing the entire drawing. So through the magic of video and editing, and voila! I'm super fast. Alright, so as you can see, my tree passes through both of those 2 quadrants. Now you also notice this cottage is very close to this point here. So I would say that's still going to draw your eye, and keeping still that cottage from being dead center in your picture. But what I want you to do, though, to finalize your assignment, you're going to flip your paper over, and you're going to simply do a nice reflection paper explaining exactly how you created emphasis and how you used rule of thirds in your drawing. Remember, your paragraph needs to be at least 3 sentences, but I would appreciate it if it's more than that, to make sure that you have fully explained that you understand rule of thirds and that you're able to explain how you created that in your drawing. Once you've done that, you're going to be turning that in on your class shelf.